Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this circle flash on CapCut. So I'm just going to go to canvas first and change the format to 9:16. Just have this black stock background for this. Go to overlay and add in a white stock video. Select add, and I'm just going to rotate it 90 degrees like so, and let me just select mask and select circle. Press the check mark button, and then you are going to make it kind of small depending how fast you want the flash to be. And then add a keyframe in at the beginning and at the end of it. And at the beginning, you want to make the mask really small. Oops. Like as small as it can go. And then at the end, you want to make the mask really big like that. Then you are going to go to animation, out, and you're going to add in a fade out animation. Press the check mark button and then go back, and then you are going to select graphs and you're going to choose ease out 3. And that is it really. That is how you can create a circle flash on CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!